in education for local and global relevance and responsiveness. For having persistently challenged one another to explore and pursue relevant, innovative, and breakthrough ideas through research and development. For having steadfastly participating in the CICM advocacies of promoting multi-ethnicity, social justice, peace, and integrity of God's creation. For having conscientiously strengthened good governance and concordance among stakeholders for the sustenance of best practice. For having been joyfully animated and cared for one another as a community inspired by Mother Mary to become faithful witnesses of Christ's mission. And for the CICM vision that someday we could be of greater service to God's people and the local church.
Congratulations, Ashley! God is good!
Grateful for all this, we, the year 2025 organization, earnestly ask you to confer on us to the peace to those who have spoken. University of Yangon, University of Philippines.
151 candidates for BS Nursing.
John Ashley Peralta Cristobal, Hawaiian City, Isabela. Kayla N. Gasilla, Bayongbong. James John Elijah Kimosi, Bayongbong, with academic distinction. Flordeline Agustin Calishano, Santiago City, Isabela, varsity player. Robinson Earl Dulay Gabuda, Bagaba, with academic distinction.
Congratulations, Ashley! God is good!